Hello everybody, man, Maxwell26 here with another reaction video, and it's that time of the month again. It's time to try not to laugh with another challenge by Adiktheone. Now, the camera stance is kind of like this because I'm actually experimenting on seeing if I can do it like this, or if I'm just going to go back to using Mobizen or something, but just figured I'd go ahead and give this one a shot since I've seen other reactors reacted their way with the usual kind. So, I'm going to be experimenting on this, see if I like it, and we'll see how it goes. And try not to laugh challenge number 67, 2 weeks ago, but I don't care. I'm going to react to it, going to try not to laugh, and so are you guys, because you know the rules. You laugh, you lose. The link for this is in the description below. Without further ado, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Are you ready? Let's get it!
Here we go. Seeing as what students can't see in the process. I mean, that is kind of true, though. Plan on getting one, though. Obviously, that was a dude. Tom and Jerry?
Do you have any kids?
Yes, they're all in liquid form.
What does that mean?
People getting slapped
Makes
with
me wonder what else
himself.
I don't know.
Do you know you're supposed to work out your lower body, too?
Oh my god. This is that Fortnite nutcracker again. Oh, it's the weekend. That is true.
We're told to stay off roadways
So
unless
true.
absolutely, positively necessary.
I wanted donuts.
But they still keep
Side with nothing amusing about his design whatsoever. Action.
You're
He's
mocking
doing
me,
it holding
aren't you?
his
Oh,
laugh.
no. Buzz-looking alien! Where?
Fuck
Ricky.
you, Iron Man.
So I'm at Elk Island National Park now. In
Give me a
Oh,
word,
no.
starting with the letter P. Somebody might do to your bottom.
Say penetrate.
Jesus Christ.
For $5, can you guess where I'm from?
Hell.
You are right, my brother. You are right, I'm from here.
That was unexpected.
No, I've never seen that woman before.
Just hang in there.
Feels to chew.
I'll have another 5 gum.
I've come. Stimulate your senses.
That's Piers.
Hand it over, thank you.
Oh, Susanna, thank you so much.
Did you write these?
Really?
Plant B?
I take a bunch of those actually.
No beach, plant the ball.
I've seen that.
Cover me! Help! Cover!
Not the whole thing.
Gaily, you successfully hit metal 17 times, so you are now proud owner of this photograph of motorcar. I am happy, but property is theft, so you are now under arrest. Well, no.
You son of a bitch!
I've seen this too.
You child of a bitch!
Just because I cheated one time, that make me a cheater? Yeah. So if I cut hair one time, that make me a barber?
Such a precious baby. Look at him. What you gonna say? You gonna say dada? You gonna say mama? Hold the fuck up.
Oh, wow.
Gigi.
Shut the fuck up and go get a job, you dumb bitch.
I haven't seen him in a while.
Oh, we got him now, right where we want him.
Yeah, now she doesn't get tired.
She asked me what my pronouns are.
And then you ate her pronouns are obesity. Her pronouns are all you can eat. And she identifies as hungry. Were you crying out gravy?
In these anti-racist
Why did that
classes,
kind
my
of remind
ass
me of
will
someone
attempt to
making a parody
penetrate
of an
your
epic
ass's
musical
mind.
song?
God you said mind.
Should my ass find any memories that reveals your ass to be a racist, we'll be sending your ass to Azkaban prison, you feel me?
Get this when I go.
And honor Mom and I being the first mother-daughter crew at Delta.
A Delta Airlines plane flipped.
Humans can only hold their breath for 10 minutes. Then how was Louis Armstrong able to become the first man on the moon?
I am in space on the moon.
Neil Armstrong.
Help!
Why are you pointing at me?
That's so wrong.
Yeah, look how my mom ties the sneakers.
What are you laughing at?
Yeah, gas. Wait for it.
Who's the best rapper alive?
Kanye West.
Fortnite balls. I'm gay. I like boys. I kidnap autistic kids. Little Mo.
Smell that?
That's messed up.
Exactly. Where is dinner? I mean...
Hey, look, man. If you could give me
Yeah,
5
messed
words of
up.
English, I'll give you $5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This motherfucker, man.
Really, what is that?
He's not wrong though.
Well, Jesus died on the cross.
Really wrong. CrossFit. And then me a clip with them. Of course, be another one of those.
Wait a minute. The Kardashians. Sons of Francis is how Mufasa died. Who's the lucky black guy?
What the?
Like Lego piece 2550C01. What does that mean?
What Lego piece is
Brown
that?
monkey animal with banana mint.
A monkey?
What?
Really?
My friend Bob died because I couldn't remember his blood type. It was tough to see that, I'll tell you. But he was strong all the way to the end. He was like, be positive, be...
Police say 25-year-old James Sester jumped from this homemade wooden platform off this 30-foot bluff. Police call this location unsafe and poorly operated. The sheriff even says he wants to shut it down. But the owner, Charles Womack, says he's not going anywhere.
I'm just trying to help these high school kids and college kids because they ain't got no money. I got a whole freezer full of popsicles.
Oh, God.
My name is Trent and I'm a little curious. What name do I look like I should have? Like if you had to guess my name.
Bro, you're weak as fuck.
Oh, you messed up.
Let me show you something cool. But wait.
5 places that I'm not going to
Oh,
in
God, again with the
2021.
Instagram comments.
Jim. Anyways, how to know your sign company is reliable.
Fetty Whopper.
Get more queso.
Like, I've never seen a chat this funny, bro.
Bros the Planet in Planet Fitness.
Yeah, every message. Dude, what are we doing here, man?
You're so large you could sell shade.
What did he just say?
What?
Phantom donated $1. Arnold snatch a burger.
Just when we said it was getting wholesome, you come in and ruin it, buddy.
Thor, the god of hunger.
What?
Why do they keep doing this to Kate so that's really messed up? Why?
And Jesus burst out of the door and said, "Men, that took 2 flushes."
那个是不是太远了？那个啥，他们那个馆是多远的一个馆啊？是望京那边的吗？那个我上次去那个。
This is Mr. Black.
But you're white?
I come from an alternative dimension where black means white and white means black.
Wait, so you're calling white people niggas?
Thanks for watching. This challenge was made with the help from members of my Discord server.
Why you gotta do AI like that? Why you even gotta do Spider-Man like that, actually? Well, that was Try Not to Laugh challenge number 67 by Adiktheone, and I do gotta say, I failed. That guy literally sounded so much like Herbert the Pervert. This is too much. I got a whole freezer full of popsicles. And yeah, there you go. I can do a Herbert the Pervert impression too. But yeah, a lot of these were a lot that made me almost laugh, and then I ended up laughing, and then there we are. I do gotta say, it was really funny. Some of the stuff are messed up though, but Adiktheone never seems to fail at making this Try Not to Laugh challenges hilarious. But yeah, 2 weeks later, still funny, and I probably should have reacted to it on upload day, but did the best I could. And also, I know I've been away for a month. I've just been busy with stuff, and I will catch up on the Bruce 2 Films episodes soon. How soon, I don't know, but we'll see how things turn out. The link for this is in the description below, along with Adiktheone's YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, prove it by hitting that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Follow me on TikTok at MadMaxwell26, and if you have a request, let me know in the comments below. With that being said, I am MadMaxwell26, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.